Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Tally Developer 786, where we are solving Osmania University problems like we are doing BCom Computers 5th semester MIS practical question from the question bank. Right now I am trying to solve 6th problem. Here you have to create table, student table. Here is the information, all the details, and you have to solve the 3 queries over here. Okay, this is how we want to do it. Okay, all this thing you can keep over here, and if you want you can update the details here. So go to here. Now all the problems has been solved. 2 problems are left. That's what I am solving here. Problem number 6. Open. Enable the content, go to here, create, select query table design, select table design. Where is the question? Just check this question. Okay, these are all the information what we have to do. Now student roll number, student number should be auto number, and give primary key. For this one keep format as 100 because we said 101, so I am giving format over here. Then go here, student name, it should be in short text, English, first letter is capital, here is number, second language number, FA first one number, BE number, okay, after that BOM number, and IT number, and I want total of it, so I will give you this total number and average. I will not do this total and average. Okay, save this one, table, this is student table, he has said here. Then now we are going to view, data sheet view. This is all information about them. Okay, just make it big here so that I can fulfill here information. See, 5 information is there here, right? All this thing details should be kept over here. Now Rajendra, Rajendra, how much amount? 75, 85, 90, 85, 86, 90. Okay. After this Arvind, Arvind how much? 88, 75, 95, 80, 82, 85. Then go for Arvind. Krishna, Krishna is how much? 50, 52, 58, 50, 53, 54. Then go for next name. Krishna and Harish. Harish is how much? 52, 55, 51, 56, 57, 59. Now Rajesh, Rajesh is how much? 86, 85, 81, 80, 89, 90. Mm, 90. Okay, this is what all the information is stored over here. Now save this one. Just go to create, take query design, okay, add this one, add all this thing, all this thing. Now I want total, so I will update the total here. Here in updation, you go here, F2, whatever the details are there present over here, you just keep it add. English he has, plus second language, plus after second language FA space 1, after that BE, after that plus BOM, okay, plus IT, right? Save here. Now average is also same. Go to here, keep bracket, and here English, bracket close. Next second language, next FA1, next BE, next BOM, next IT, bracket close, divided by 6 subjects, right? 6 subjects. You just give this one, run it here, you have updated 5 rows. Save this one as query 1, you have updated over here. All this thing got, you have the table over here, everything is ready over here. Now just go for the queries here. Check what is the query. Display all students who got more than, greater than or equal to 80 marks in any subjects. Okay, here query number 1, here I have given query number 1 as updation, so you can give query number 2, real queries. Go to query designs, take student table, business economy, IT, total, average, everything he has given in one subject above or greater than or equal to 80 subjects. Okay, in any subject he said, right? So I have given in English, you got 2% who got above 80. So save this one as query 2. That's it. Now go for another query, add BE, BOM, IT, total, FI, average. Now what is the second question? Check it. Display all the students who failed in individual subject. No. Here, display all students who got marks above 80% from the total. From the total, that means average. Average means 80%. So now you have already updated this one. Query number 1. Go to query number 1. Here you have already updated. Here he want what? Greater than or equal to 80%. Just run it. 3 rows are updated. That's it. These are the 3 rows who got above. So again This is called what? This is query number 2 actually. I have updated this one, right? This is query number 2. You can say rename this one. You can't rename until unless you close this. Close this one, close this one. Here you can type rename. I have updated already that one, but I am writing here 2, and this one I am writing number 1. Okay, see, all this thing is updated now. In query, you are all about to run update modify table data. Yes, 3 rows are updated. Yes, you can run here. Already updated here 80, right? Already you got here, right? Query design, run. You got updated 3 rows. Where is that one? Here it is. Okay, here you got these 3 rows updated. Now third query you have to solve it. Okay, you copy this one, paste it over here. You can say query 3. Query 3 you can say. Okay, you got here. You just go to query design. Here you change this subject as less than or equal to 60. Run it, because this is the third question, third query, 60. Okay, so I am giving here 60%. Just copy. 2 rows are updated. Now check it, this one. These are the 2 rows. That's it, how we solve it. Just pause the video for this question, understand it very well. I'll show you one more time. These are the queries. First query is in any subject you have to get above 80, so I have done this one. In second one you have to update all the information, total and average, and this average should be above 80, so I have given here. And here in third query you have to give less than or equal to 60, so I have given over here. That's it, how we solve it. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.